This is a tutorial to show you how to access and navigate the Destiny catalog online. From the DeForest home page, go to Students, scroll down to Libraries and Resources, and click on that. Click on Elementary School Library Site, and then Destiny Catalog. Once you are here, click on the elementary school that you belong to. Since this video is for Windsor Elementary School, I will click on Windsor Elementary School. You can log in to Destiny for more options. So I'm going to teach you how to log in. Click on Login. The login for Destiny is the same as your Chrome login and your email login. So I'm going to log in as my fake student. You would log in as yourself. Log in. And then you can see up here that I am logged in. Here's a logout option. So I'm going to do my first search. I'm going to do a title search. So I'm going to search for the book Pax. Click on title. And then this is my detailed record. So the book Pax, call number is FIC PEN. I know that fiction books that have the first 3 letters of the author's last name are located in the red section of fiction. I also know that there are 6 total copies, and 1 of those is available for checkout. Let's do another search. So I click back on Library Search. This time I'm going to do an author search. I enjoy books by Anne M. Martin. I type in Anne Martin, click on Author, and then all of the books by Anne M. Martin that we have in our library will come up. Notice there are 22 total titles. If I scroll down, I'm looking for the book Rain, Rain by Anne Martin. Here you'll see we have Rain, Rain. The call number is FIC MAR, so I know that it's located in the red fiction section. And 4 of 8 total copies are available for checkout. Let's say that your teacher asks you to do some research. We'll go back to Library Search. And perhaps you are searching for Muhammad Ali. I'm not quite sure how to spell it. I'm going to spell it to the best of my ability. That is a subject search, so I'm going to click on Subject. And you can see there's 3 total titles of the champion Muhammad Ali. I can scroll through and look at the different titles and look at their covers and see which one I think might suit me best. I happen to know that 921 is a biography or an autobiography, and so 921 books about Muhammad Ali will probably help me in my research. The first one, Champion, the Story of Muhammad Ali, is not available currently. It's checked out to someone else. But if I look at the other 2 books, Learning about Strength of Character from the Life of Muhammad Ali and 2 Rounds to Glory, the Story of Muhammad Ali, I'm thinking that this second one is going to give, or this third one rather, is going to give me more information about what I might need for a research project. And there are 2 of 2 available. I will go to the 900 section of the library and look for 921 Ali. I also see that the author's name is Smith Charles. So when I go there, I can look for the author's name, which would also help me. And obviously I look for the title on the spine. The great thing about this is that you'll see that there is an option to add to this list. I have a selected list called My Personal List. I'm going to add this book to my list because I think that having a list of books will help me in my research. So add to list. Now it is in this list. If I click on this list, you can see that I have one book in my list. And I can print it out if I need to. I can remove it if I have to. There's also a link for citation. So if I want to cite it, this is how I would cite it. I'm going to go back to that list. I'm going to show you right here, it says resource lists. So if I click on resource lists, these are all the lists that are available to everybody in the district. However, if I click on my lists, I can only see my personal list. If I view it, again, that brings me to my list. Okay, let's go back to library search. Let's do another list. Maybe I'm doing famous African Americans. Nothing for that. But if I browse subjects, maybe I can just search for African Americans and subject. Okay, so that gives me a few different options as well. I could read about Coretta Scott. I could read about Martin Luther King, Rosa Parks. So many different African Americans come through on a subject search on African Americans. You can see that there are 428 titles that could help me in my research. And then I can refine my search even more. I can also do a power search, which gives me more keywords, or a visual search if I just simply don't know where to start. So if I click on famous people, and athletes, I can find books about different athletes. Let's go back to library search. Let's go back to basic. And this concludes our tutorial.